In this video, we're making this delicious Oreo chocolate pudding. These are all the ingredients you're going to need and they're very simple, so let's get started. First, to a saucepan, add in the milk and set it on low flame. And you're going to heat this just till it's warm. Meanwhile, also add in the salt. Once the milk is warm to touch, you're going to turn off the flame and add in the chocolate. And you're going to let that sit for 5 minutes, and meanwhile you're going to add the remaining milk to the corn flour and the sugar and mix till it's a uniform paste. After 5 minutes, you're going to whisk the chocolate into the milk till it's melted and combined. Then turn the flame on low again. Heat up the mixture slightly, and you're going to add in the corn flour, sugar, milk mixture. And make sure to whisk while you're adding it and add it very slowly. And then you're going to keep stirring this on low flame until the mixture thickens. And when using a spatula, the mixture should coat the spatula. As you can see here, that's when you know it's ready. Then you're going to switch off the flame and add in your Oreos and mix those in. And then pour them in your serving dish. I'm using 2 ramekins here. And then you're going to let the pudding come to room temperature and then refrigerate for a few hours. About 2 to 3 hours or more is ideal. And then I like to top the pudding with some more Oreos and then serve it nice and chilled. This pudding is nice and creamy and the crunchy Oreos add a really nice texture to it. If you're craving an Oreo cheesecake but you're really lazy, this is a great hack. It does really taste like an Oreo cheesecake, to be honest. I do hope you try this out and let me know how it turns out for you. I'll see you soon with a new recipe. Bye!